Hi, my name is Eric Louver and I'm the co-founder and CEO of the French startup Moviscrap. We have developed a breakthrough and patented mechanical technology to recycle composites. The principle is to submit composites to impacts with high intensity, accelerations and decelerations up to 5,000 Gs, and high frequency, up to 4,000 impacts per second. During these impacts, the resin is pulverized while the fibers, which are flexible enough, tend to keep their initial length. We can then separate the resin powder and the fibers by sieving. We have built a demonstrator at industrial scale, 1 ton per hour, and in 2023 we made dozens of successful tests with many types of composites: glass, carbon fibers, thermoset and thermoplastic resins. Our short recycled carbon fibers have been reintegrated by BMC in new composites with very good mechanical properties. The benefits of mechanical recycling are multiple: low capex and opex, low environmental footprint. We are now looking for partners who could help us to deploy our technology on the composite market, and we will be thrilled to participate in JEC World 2024 and to meet with key players of the industry.